I am in Shymkent. I think they're trying to make it like affordable and like for everyone. That's I think the first purpose. Shymkent is not like a high salary place. You can't make like bunch of great money here, I guess. Like for majority of people, like average person, and that's why they made it affordable, but at the same time not like free, so people not gonna abuse it. So the people who is interested, they will come because they need to pay, and even it's so small, tiny bit of money, but I guess it's their way of thinking, like to take care about this place. Water is so dirty, yeah.
Yeah, it's muddy.
It's from river, yeah, I guess. Like channel.
Doesn't smell probably from the river. I think it would be so lovely to come here during summer. Imagine how like very nice. But it feels like a little bit like a mountainous area, right? Like the smell is like.
So they have different species of trees and plants here, which can possibly be grown here, yeah, in Shymkent.
Yeah, most of them are like endemic and stuff.
I've seen like a Chinese one. They've written there in description of the tree. The Chinese delegation from Urumqi, I guess railways delegation. They like they brought one like tree. No, they brought from Urumqi. Urumqi's climate is pretty much similar as Kazakhstan's. Yeah. Urumqi is like north west part of the China, where pretty much like Kazakh people living. I think they are in same meridian. Yeah, they're in same meridian as like East Kazakhstan. So the weather pretty much same. So that's why I think there is high possibility they bought from there.
Maybe.
Oh, look at this family. This weather helps like them to have this peace, less human, and all the nature for themselves. Look at this now. I am so close. Just something. What's going on with water there? so peaceful.
Напоминает джентльмены, когда они в своих владениях вот так ходят же.
Ага.
Ну,
Блин, я бы... Ага.
это юж.
Rayonda bizni ipin izleyecek.